Hi everyone! Today we're planning something really exciting. We're gonna make something
gooey,
sticky,
stretchy, and it's gonna be really fun. We are gonna make
slime!
To make slime, we need these ingredients: some glue, food coloring, baking soda, contact lens solution, a container, and a stick. So the first step is to put some glue in your container.
First me.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, it looks a little
Fake milk.
Is that enough?
It looks
Yep.
like thick yogurt, like milk thing.
Yeah, it's just any school glue, I guess, would work.
Yeah.
We got this.
Ah, it's coming.
We got more.
Okay, there.
Oh my.
How about you? Okay.
Yeah, my turn.
Can't wait to put the food
I put
coloring.
mine on this.
It's okay. You need the stick to mix anyway.
Let me try.
Oh well.
I'm going to put it in here.
Okay, and now you get to pick your colors. What color do you want?
Red.
Okay.
I picked green.
Okay, just one drop, okay?
One droplet.
And then make sure you mix it really well and see what happens.
Oh, turn it to your favorite color. You want it.
Well, what happens?
Oh my god, it's turning pink! Look, guys, look!
I put 2 drops.
Okay.
I want more. Got it. So it's super pink.
Now we have our cool colors. Right? And the next step is to add some baking soda. Just a little spoonful, a teaspoon maybe, or half a teaspoon.
Yeah. Not too much.
Remember, you can also use a grown-up to help you with this.
Yeah.
Because it could be hard and difficult to do it. And you also have to do a lot of mixing.
Okay, mix it really well.
I'm done mixing it.
Me too.
Okay, and what do you think we do next? What's the final step? Okay, Pearl?
Activator!
Yeah, we add the activator to make it slimy.
Right, so the activator...
Let's go.
Okay. So the activator is contact lens solution because it contains boric acid. So that's what we're using as the activator.
Oh my god. So we're gonna pour it inside.
So you put a little bit and you mix, and you may keep mixing it and see how the texture changes, and you might need to add more, but
You have to mix it super well, because if you don't, you could like accidentally do something wrong. Whoa! But it's just so cool.
Oh my god,
okay.
mine's getting
Keep mixing
slimy.
it. Is it?
Oh my
Is it what's
God.
happening?
Whoa!
It's working. It's getting slimy.
Yeah.
Look. Oh my.
Look!
So after mixing it really well, everything sticks together and you get slime.
Woohoo.
Let's get mine out.
So it's really stretchy,
Gooey.
sticky, right? And slimy, I guess.
Slimy, stretchy.
There you go.
Oh.
It's
Oh my
so
god, look at
Right.
mine. It turns out mine's
Mine is
isn't-
purple.
Mine's is gray.
And this is blue. But yeah, it's really sticky too.
Oh my god, it's like so much fun. I just can't stop playing with it.
If you want to make white slime, you don't need food coloring. White slime.
You just need glue and the other things except food coloring.
Yeah, if it's a white glue, then yeah, no color is necessary.
Oh my god, it's like so
Wow.
Alright, so
God.
sticky.
So slimy.
slimy.
Oh dear.
It's so stretchy that it brings my cup away.
Now we're gonna level up our slime game.
So to do that, we're gonna make something called foamy slime, and you need foamy shaving cream in addition to your glue. So let's try that.
Yay!
Okay. So a bit of glue first.
Like last time.
Sorry.
But less
Whoa.
less glue. So let me add that to yours.
Yay! We're gonna have some
I
foam.
love my other slime because it's so much fun. And I can't wait to see how much this
Yeah, this one is gonna be a little different.
Yeah, from
Okay,
our
wait.
other one.
So then I'll try adding then you add the foamy shaving cream. Ooh.
That's a funny sound.
I know, because it's let's see.
Oh.
So let's see.
Cool.
We're just seeing what happens. It's a little experiment. So mix it really well.
Oh my god.
Okay, mix it.
Smells like bathroom cream.
Yeah,
And
it's shaving cream.
if you want food coloring,
I want red.
okay.
I want green again, but
Here.
this time a less.
I'm going to
Okay.
do 2 droplets.
At least 2 or 1.
Thank you, Mama,
Okay.
for 3. I guess.
Wow.
Whoa, I love mine.
It's mostly going into the cream.
Yeah, but just try to mix it really well
As
and
long
see what
as it
happens.
turns- Oh my
We're
god,
doing an
guys,
experiment.
look,
We've never
look,
done this
guys,
before,
Look.
so-
It's so much fun. It's warm.
Is it warm?
Mm-hmm. It's
Okay.
warm. Let me try feeling. Yeah, it's super warm. But it's still not done.
It smells.
Yeah, that has a fragrance.
Reminds me of the paint I use in school.
I know.
Well, like, it's so
Wow,
warm.
look at it. It's
Okay.
so green. Mine.
Mine is so pink. It's like I'm making pink cake.
Our- What is your
I think
What
it's
is-
like a blue green. I added blue green, so it's
turquoise again?
turquoise.
Blue green is turquoise.
Yeah. And then, yeah, the next steps are the same. Do you remember the next step?
The baking soda.
Yeah, the baking soda, baking soda.
And then finally our activator.
Okay, but one
I
thing at
love
a time, one step at a
activator.
time. Okay. So let's add the baking soda.
Yay! And then
Mix
mixing
it.
time. A lot of cream. So creamy.
Yeah, I
I hope it turns
guess
out
it'll have a
slimy.
different texture, this one, so we'll see what
I
happens.
hope it's foamy and slimy again.
Like, this is going to be like a little adventure.
It looks
Kinda.
like the color. It looks like a little. It reminds me of toothpaste, but it's not.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
slime.
yeah.
Because
Leo,
of the
look at
creamy
mine.
texture
Leo, look at
and the
mine.
color of mine. Wow. smells like creamy. Ooh. It also
Whoa.
it also feels like whipped cream.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It
Okay,
is
so it's not
creamy.
ready. It's not
So
slime yet. We
fun.
need activator, right, for slime. So let's
Yes.
add that
Every
next.
slime, every slime needs activator.
I hope it turns out slimy. Oh,
So mix it really well.
It's working. It's working.
But don't, I will probably have to add more, mix and then add more, mix and add more and see what happens.
Ooh.
Oh, look at our slime.
Hi.
Hi.
Hiya.
So this is the regular slime and this is the foamy slime.
That's what I'm saying. How come I keep on slime? It's just so fun. So fun.
And guess what? It also bounces. Boink. Boink.
Look at this.
Boink.
Whoa.
Boink.
It even dropped slime.
And you can carve it, mold it into any shape you want. It could be a
Yeah.
snake.
It can be a star. It can be a heart.
It could be maybe even a cup.
It's a good stress ball. Like you can just squeeze it and it'll feel pretty cool.
The foamy slime, it's
Yeah.
even more foamy. It's so much
Yeah.
fun. I'm just gonna squeeze. Squeeze!
Thanks for watching.
Please like this video.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Life with Leo